Welcome back to the channel. I am Guru and you are watching Guru Design Lab. If you love high quality design tutorials, hit that subscribe button and right now fire up your SolidWorks and let's get designing. So today we are tackling up exercise 24. Take a look at this drawing. It has asymmetric trapezoidal shape, uniform 10 mm wall thickness and deep U-shaped cutout from the top. We will break down every single dimension step by step, making it perfect for both designers and intermediate designers. So we can start from a sketch, close this exercise at here and select a new part, click OK. Take a plane like front plane, select OK. Take a line from a sketch tab and create a shape like this. Go to a smart dimension, measure it for 150 mm. Measure it for 60 mm, 30 mm, set OK. Set it for 70 mm. Select OK. Go to offset entities and select this entities. Direction reverse, set OK. Go to features tab, extrude boss face, select extrude boss face and extrude it up to 100 mm. Set OK. Select this face, go to a sketch, select corner rectangle, go to smart dimension and measure it for 60 mm. At here, from here, this dimension is 20 mm and this one is also 20 mm. Okay. Go to features tab, select extrude cut and extrude cut up to 100 mm. Okay, you can see here this design is complete within 2 minutes. Select this upper face, go to appearance tab, color this. You can see to make it look exactly like this exercise drawing. Let's apply some appearance. I can apply before. We can color code and faces to match the diagram of professional finish. And there you have exercise 24 is fully modeled and complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a video a big thumbs. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to share with your fellow engineers. Make sure to subscribe to Design Lab for more daily CAD challenges. I am Guru and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.